Hey there, future AI wizards. Artificial intelligence is changing the world. OpenAI is a leader in this exciting field, making powerful AI tools available to everyone. These tools can write stories, answer questions, and even create art. They're changing how we work, learn, and play. OpenAI wants to make sure this technology benefits everyone. They're committed to safety and ethical development. Are you ready for an adventure? Let's dive into the world of OpenAI and see what we can create. OpenAI has created some amazing AI models. Let's meet the stars of the show. First up, we have GPT-3 and its even smarter sibling GPT-4. These language models can understand and generate human-like text. Next, we have Codex, the coding whiz, which can understand and write code in multiple programming languages. Last but not least, there's DALL-E, the artistic one, which can generate images from text descriptions. These are just a few of the amazing tools OpenAI offers. Each one is powerful and capable of incredible things. Ready to start using these awesome AI tools? First, you'll need an OpenAI account. Head over to the OpenAI website and look for the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide some basic information and choose a subscription plan. Once you're in, you'll get your very own API keys. These keys are like your secret passwords to access the AI models. With your account set up and your keys in hand, you're ready to unlock the power of OpenAI. The OpenAI API is like a special phone line that lets you talk to the AI models. You make a request and the AI sends back a response. Think of it like sending a text message. The OpenAI API works similarly, but instead of text messages, you use something called JSON. JSON is like a digital envelope for sending information. OpenAI provides clear documentation and examples to help you format your requests. Now that you understand how to communicate with the AI, let's set up our coding environment. Section 5, Python Power, your coding arsenal. Python is a popular programming language that's perfect for working with the OpenAI API. To use Python, you'll need to set up a coding environment on your computer. A popular option is to use Google Colab, a free web-based platform that lets you write and run Python code right in your browser. Once you have your Python environment ready, you can install the OpenAI library. This library provides all the tools you need to interact with the OpenAI API. Section 6, your first API call, a simple example. Now for the exciting part, making your first API call. Let's start with a simple example using GPT-3. We'll ask it to complete a sentence. First, import the OpenAI library into your Python code. Then set up your API key so Python knows who you are. Now you can write the code to make the API call. Import OpenAI prompt =, the quick brown fox jumps over the max_tokens =5. Print, response choices 0.text. This code sends a request to GPT-3 asking it to complete the sentence. The quick brown fox jumps over the. Run this code and you should see GPT-3 complete the sentence with lazy dog. Congratulations, you've just made your first API call. Section 7. Fine-tuning your AI mastering API parameters. API parameters are like knobs and dials that let you control how the AI responds. For example, the parameter controls the creativity of the AI. A higher temperature means more creative but potentially less predictable responses. A lower temperature means more consistent and predictable results. Another important parameter is which limits the length of the AI's response. Experiment with different settings to see how they affect the AI's output. It's like being an AI chef, experimenting with different ingredients to create the perfect dish. Section 8. Building your AI companion, a chatbot project. Ready to build something cool? Let's create a simple AI chatbot using GPT-3. Our chatbot will have conversations with users like a digital friend. Define a function to send user input to the OpenAI API. Use the endpoint for chatbots. Python def get_chatbot_response. User_input conversation_history =. Conversation history. Append, role user content user underscore input. Response =OpenAI.ChatCompletion.create. Model GPT-3.5 turbo messages conversation underscore history. Conversation history. Append role assistant content response dot choices 0. Message dot content return response dot choices 0. Message dot content conversation underscore history. This function adds user input to the conversation history. Sends the conversation history to the API for context. Create a loop to take user input. Get the chatbot's response and print it. Python conversation underscore history equals sign, while true user underscore input equals sign input, u response, conversation underscore history equals sign, get underscore chatbot underscore response, user underscore input, conversation underscore history, print chatbot response. Run the code and start chatting with your AI companion. Teach it new things, ask questions, or just have fun. Section 9, code, like a pro generating code with Codex. Remember Codex, our coding wizard? Let's put it to work and generate some code. Describe what you want in plain English and Codex writes the code. For example, write a function that sums even numbers in a list. Codex will generate the Python code for you. Amazing, right? Codex saves time by automating tasks. Section 10, OpenAI Mastery, Best Practices for Success. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of the OpenAI API. Start with clear and concise prompts. The more specific you are with your instructions, the better the AI can understand and fulfill your request. Experiment with different parameters. Don't be afraid to tweak the settings to see how they affect the AI's output. Use the right tool for the job. OpenAI offers a variety of models, each with its strengths. Break down complex tasks into smaller steps. This will make it easier for the AI to understand and process your requests. Section 11. Troubleshooting your AI errors and rate limits. Even the most experienced AI wranglers encounter errors and rate limits. OpenAI provides helpful error messages that can point you in the right direction. Check the error code and message for clues on how to fix the issue. OpenAI limits how many requests you can make within a certain time frame. If you hit a rate limit, don't panic. Simply wait for the specified time and then try again. Remember, debugging is part of the coding journey. Embrace the challenge and you'll become a more skilled AI developer. Section 12. Unleashing your creativity project ideas with OpenAI. Now that you have the power of OpenAI at your fingertips, the possibilities are endless. Here are a few project ideas to get your creative juices flowing. An AI-powered story writer. Create an app that generates unique stories based on user input. A language translator. Build a tool that translates text between languages with the help of GPT-3, a code documentation generator. Develop a program that automatically generates documentation for your code using Codex. An image generation tool. Create an app that generates images from text prompts using DALL-E. Let your imagination run wild and see what amazing things you can create with OpenAI. Section 13. AI Ethics. Using your powers responsibly. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more powerful, it's essential to use it ethically and responsibly. Avoid bias. AI models are trained on massive datasets which can contain biases. Be mindful of this and strive to create AI that is fair and unbiased. Protect privacy. Don't use AI to collect or share personal information without consent. Be transparent. Let users know when they are interacting with AI and explain how it works. Use AI for good. Focus on building AI that benefits society and makes the world a better place. Remember, AI is a tool. It's up to us to use it wisely and ethically. Section 14. Keep learning resources for your AI journey. Your AI adventure doesn't end here. There are tons of resources available to help you continue learning and growing. OpenAI documentation. The official documentation is your go-to guide for everything. OpenAI. Online courses. Many online platforms offer courses on AI and machine learning. Community forums. Connect with other AI enthusiasts and get help from experienced developers. Section 15. Join the AI community. Experiment and explore. Congratulations, you're well on your way to becoming an AI master. Now it's time to put your skills to the test. Experiment with different AI models, try out new project ideas, and connect with other AI enthusiasts. The future of AI is in your hands. Go out there and make something amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI content.